This 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 245RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 8 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 6, refrigerator, LP detector, water heater, TV, stove top burner, spare tire kit, smoke detector, slide-out, air conditioning, CO detector, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 245RL is 6,327 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Superstore, visit RVUSA.com.